Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to play YouTube in background in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using a 36 or a 56 and now you want to play YouTube in background, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you have to open your Chrome and here just go for search and search for youtube.com. Just search for this and then you'll get the web version of YouTube app just like that. Here, just open the video which you want to play in background. As I'm going to open this one from here, just tap on it. So after that, you just have to tap on three dots in the top right corner. From here, just select desktop site. So in this here, you can really enable the desktop site. Now play the video which you want. As I have played this one, just select allow. If you want to send you notification, just allow that. And after that, just play the video and then go back to your home screen. So when you go back to your home screen, you just scroll down your control panel and you'll get that your YouTube is playing in background. You can easily customize if you want from here. So that's how you can easily play YouTube in background in Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.